Imagine your small Florida business exploding overnight. Sounds crazy? Well, here's the secret weapon: Google Ads. Most think ads are just expensive clicks. Wrong. Every dollar spent brings you real customers, fast. Now, picture launching a campaign that targets exactly who needs your product. No wasted budget, pure impact. Here's the twist: partnering with an online marketing media service turns ads into a conversion machine. They analyze, optimize, and make your ads irresistible. Did you know 90% of clicks come from just the top 3 ads? So, first impressions are everything. But watch out: bad ads kill business dreams. That's where expert help flips the game. From keyword magic to bid strategy, every detail counts. Think of your competitors. Are they running ads while you're missing out? Don't lose your share of Florida's booming market. Ready to turn clicks into customers? What would it mean if your business could grow without spending hours figuring this out? Drop your thoughts below and start your campaign journey today.